Hello everybody! So in this video I'm going to show you how to use a program called CPU-Z. CPU-Z is a program that uses to tell you what's basically on your computer. It'll tell you operating system, it'll tell you graphics, it'll tell you CPU, it'll tell you memory, a more extent detail. Now, you can do some of the same thing in your BIOS when you go in there, but it won't tell you what operating system the computer's running. It won't tell you what graphics card, it won't tell you the service pack, it'll just tell you the CPU, the memory, and the temperature. And I'll show you that right now. So to see what I'm talking about, you go to Standard CMOS Features. I just figured that out. There was a way to tell. There we go. I just forgot where it was. So as you can see, I have an AMD Phantom 2 on this particular computer. Microcode, which is 0F4308F. CPU frequency, which is 3.20 gigahertz. BIOS version, physical memory, cache size, and level 3 cache size, which I did not know this computer had actually. So that gives you that. So here's how you go. You go, in this case you want to do that, you go to Standard CMOS Features, scroll down. So if I go like that, you go to System Information, press Enter. So now we're going to do the CPU-Z stuff. But if you notice, it didn't tell what operating system we're running, what graphics card, and all that. Didn't even say the memory, what memory was running either. Oh yeah, it did. Sorry. I forget stuff says in megs, but... So once this boots up, I'll go online and I'll download CPU-Z. Now, the megabits, what you saw, is I have 8 gigs of RAM in this computer. Okay, so it's rebooting. Open up Opera. Now with CPU-Z there is an Android version, so you can see what's on your tablet or your phone. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description for it. You want to choose the second link. It gives you directly where you want to go. Even though the first one will, this is better. So as you can see over here, directly to your left you have CPU-Z. And if you look really closely, you have a Windows version, .exe version, which is most commonly called, or you have the Android version. So since I'm on a Windows computer, I'm going to use this. Oh, they have a Windows 98 version too. Oh, that's interesting. I am running the 64-bit version of the software. Okay, there we go. Just wanted to make sure I was downloading the right one. The top one does both. Now, I've known about this program for a while. I just forgot it existed for a while, and I'm like, hey, wait a minute, this still exists. So, open up the folder, and you install it. Now, what would you install this for? Say you have a computer. For example, someone gave it to you, you don't want to open it up, you don't want to do anything. So you turn it on, you download this, it'll tell you what you want to know. I don't need to view to read me. Don't want to review to read me. So this is CPU-Z. And boom, it tells you what you want to know. So I'm on the CPU tab. AMD Phenom. It's codenamed Deneb. Or Deneb, depending on how you do that. I don't want to. The socket is AM3, which is an AMD socket. Model 4, it tells you all the stuff. So if we go to cache, so this particular CPU has a level 3 cache. Main board, manufacturer MSI. This particular motherboard is an MSI, obviously. It gives me the model number, it gives me the chipset, It gives me this Southbridge. It tells you brand, it tells you versions, it tells you date. Let's go to memory. The memory I have in here is DDR2. The size is 4 gigabits. It's dual. There's DC mode. DRAM. It tells you all the stuff you want to know. Tells me the manufacturer of the memory. I have an NVIDIA graphics card in here. I could do a bench test, which I'm not going to do here. I don't need to do that. So that's what this program does. It tells me what my computer actually is. It won't tell you the hard drive though. That's only for Windows. But this is like, what is this computer? What can I do with it? Kind of thing. It gives you more information than the BIOS does. So if someone gives you an old computer, you can say, hey, what is this computer, and download that. So I will be exiting it out. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.